we have discussed the relations between r, theta and xy, that is polar and Cartesian coordinate. If r, theta be given, then find x, y. From figure we can see it. P, R, theta, R represents this and theta represents this. Here OM is equal to x, that is OM is equal to x and PM is equal to y. We take the triangle OPM. OPM is right angle triangle. So cos theta is equal to cos theta is equal to OM by OP. That means OM by R. OM is equal to R cos theta, that is X is equal to R cos theta. Taking sin theta is equal to PM by OP. PM means Y by R. Y is equal to R sin theta. So R and theta represented by x is equal to r cos theta and y is equal to r sin theta. For example, if r and theta is given 5 root 2 and 5 by 4. Here r is equal to 5 root 2 and theta is equal to 5 by 4. Then x is equal to r cos theta, 5 root 2 cos 5 by 4 means 5 root 2 1 by root 2, that is 5. Y is equal to r sin theta, that is 5 root 2 sin 5 by 4, that is 5 by root 2 1 by root 2, that is 5. Hence x y is equal to 5 pi. If in second case, if x y be given, then r theta have to find. In figure that is OP is equal to R. PXY be given, draw perpendicular PM, that is X, that is Y. Hence R is equal to OP, that is OM square plus PM square under root, that is X square plus Y square under root, and tan theta is equal to PM by OM, that is Y by X, that is theta is equal to tan inverse Y by X. We taking mod because if X and Y are positive or negative, only we take positive and convert from this rule. For example, if here X and Y both are negative, so theta becomes pi plus theta, that is pi plus pi by 4, that is pi by 4. For 1 minus 1, theta also pi by 4, but X is positive and Y is negative, so theta becomes minus theta, that is I, that is minus pi by 4. Now we have discussed the relations between X and Y and R and theta. Transform the equations in Cartesian form. R square is equal to A square cos 2 theta. We know R is equal to root under x square plus y square, and tan theta is equal to y by x. Also, cos 2 theta is equal to 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta. Putting this value in given equation, r square is equal to a square cos 2 theta, root under x square plus y square whole square, a square 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta, that is equal to a square 1 minus y square by x square by 1 plus y square by x square is equal to a square x square plus y square is equal to a square x square minus y square by x square plus y square. This is in Cartesian form. Okay. Into polar x square plus y square is equal to x. Putting x is equal to r cos theta and y is equal to r sin theta. Then x square r cos theta whole square r sin theta whole square a r cos theta. R square cos square theta r square sin square theta a r cos theta r square cos square theta plus sin square theta a r cos theta r is equal to a cos theta. This is converted into polar form. Okay, now we have read in 10th classes the distance formula, section formula, area of the triangle. So we do not discuss about it, but we know the fact of this formula. First, distance formula. If A x1 y1 b x2 y2, then AB is equal to root under x1 minus x2 square y1 minus y2 square. You have already seen this formula in 10th classes, distance formula. What? Each formula there is precautions. That means if we subtract x1 minus x2, then here y1 minus y2. And the importance, this is the restrictions of the formula. If we take x1 in first, then y1 in second. That is the restrictions. In higher problem we get wrong. If we take here x1, here y2, then this become wrong. That is the restrictions of the formula. Benefit of this formula: if the coordinates of the geometrical figures, that is triangle, quadrilateral, all the vertices are given, then we can easily recognize the facts that this is right angle triangle, this is isosceles triangle, this is equilateral triangle. I think you know about the geometrical pictures. Okay? Right angle, about right angle triangle, one angle is right angle or a Pythagoras theorem. Equilateral triangle, all the sides are equal. Isosceles triangle, two sides are equal. At scalar triangle, that means ki no, not all sides are equal. In parallelogram, in parallelogram, I think you know better. Parallelogram, rectangle, rhombus. So we can find the natures of the geometrical figure from this formula. If, for example, prove that the points 4, 3, 6, 4, 5, 6, 3, 3 are the vertices of a square. Then we have take a figure A, B, C, D, 4, 3, 6, 4, 5, 6, 3, 3. We find AB, that is AB square, BC a square, CD a square, AD a square. If all are equal, then either this is a square or rhombus, because in a square the angles are, all angles are right angle. So we have to take diagonals, also diagonals, AC and BD. If AC a square is equal to BD a square, then that is a square. If that is not equal, then that is rhombus. Okay, you can easily find. And then also about triangle, the vertices of the triangles are given, that is first 0 2 7 0 2 5, second 1 1 minus root 3 root 3, minus 1 third, minus 2 5 7 10 3 minus 4. These all are the vertices of triangle. We can easily see, that is in figure. We put in figure A, B, C, 0 2 7 0 2 5. Here AB a square is equal to 0 minus 7 square, 2 minus 0 square, that is BC square, 7 minus 2 square, 0 minus 5 square, that is 5 square, 5 square, that is 50. AC square, 0 minus 2 square, 2 minus 5 square, that means 4 plus 4 plus 9. 13. 0 2 7 0 2 5. Okay. What type of triangle? 53. BC means root आ जाएगा, AB स्क्वायर में रूट 53, BC स्क्वायर 50, BC is equal to 5 root 2. All are different. AB is equal to root 53, AC is equal to root 13. All are different. This is scalar triangle. Case first. Internally, a point P alpha beta divide the line segment A x1 y1 B x2 y2 internally in the ratio m:n. In figure A, B, P alpha beta x1 y1 x2 y2, that is m:n. Hence alpha m goes to x2, n goes to x1, that is m x2 plus n x1 by m plus n. We have discussed, we have already studied in 10th classes, so we can't pause to explain this. And beta is equal to m by 2 plus n by 1 by m plus n. Okay? If P is the middle points, if P be the midpoint of AB, then alpha is equal to x1 plus x2 y2, beta is equal to y1 plus y2 by 2. Okay? Here we take x1 to n or x2 to n, opposite side. Okay? External second, externally, that is A, B, P alpha beta x1 y1 x2 y2. Here this part is m and this part is m. We have to remember this. Nearest point of the section, point P, that is x2 y2, and distance point A is x1 y1, and the nearest section is n and distance section is m. But only alpha is equal to m x2 minus n x1 by m minus n, and beta is equal to m y2 minus n y1 by m minus n. Here only restriction is that nearest point is always x2 y2 and distance point is x1 y1. Otherwise equations become wrong. And nearest sections is n and distance section is m. Then external only we take negative sign in internal sections. Okay. Third case we have already read in 10th classes. Area of triangle. Area of triangle. A, B, C, x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3 is, we have remembered this from this figure, that is x1, y1, x2, y2 in cyclic order, x3, y3. The area of the triangle ABC is equal to, when we take 1 by 2 x1, then y2 minus y3, x2, then we left y2, y3 minus y1, x3, that means y2 minus y3. That is the easiest way to remember it. B first we take x1, then y2 minus y3. We take x2, then y3 minus y1. B take x3, y1 minus y2. Y2 minus y1 x3, y1 minus y2. Okay? If area of triangle becomes 0, then points are collinear. All the collinear means all the points lie on a straight line. In coordinate geometry, we always write line segment, not line. स्ट्रेट लाइन को लाइन सेगमेंट्स में लिखते हैं, क्योंकि the definition of a straight line is that the minimum distance between 2 points is called a straight line when one point lies on infinity. We only know the initial point, but last point lies on infinity, because in graph 1 by x, y is equal to 1 by x. If xy, if x is 0, then y is infinity, y is 0, then x is infinity. Where is the point? Infinity is there. So here is the failure of coordinates. We don't know where is infinity, but two parallel lines, A, B, C, D. One point lies on infinity. We have reached the parallel lines. The distance between two parallel lines are always same, but they meet at infinity. What happened at infinity we don't know. So infinity is like a wall where they meet. So then if the coordinate 0 infinity x 0, the graph is that x 0 when it meets the y-axis, never meets. Then this become smaller. This become parallel to y-axis. Then parallel to y-axis, that means they meet at infinity. Y become infinity, then x become 0. Then they become also parallel to x-axis. Then x become infinity, y becomes 0. So in graph बताएंगे हम कोऑर्डिनेट जानने के पहले ट्रिगो का फॉर्मूला जानना जरूरी है, ग्राफ जानना जरूरी है, डिटरमिनेंट्स आज हमने सिर्फ उतना ही बताया है जो 10th तक आप लोग पढ़े हैं. That is only revision of 10th classes. Then we go to higher. Today is the end. Next day.